Hey guys, welcome back to The Lived Experience. I am just one half of the duo that is The Lived Experience, and my name is Senzi. On Instagram it's @sens_m, and today I will be taking you on an epic journey through Senegal. I recently took a solo trip to Senegal, but I wasn't alone. I was accompanied by this new travel companion of mine. It is the Canon EOS RP. It's a mirrorless camera, and it was paired with a 24 to 240 millimeter lens. Very versatile. So on this trip I was able to capture everything from the accommodation that I stayed at, to the scenery around me, to myself. So I did some self photography as well. I was able to capture street scenes, street photography, and portraits even of other people. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. It's going to be like a vlog and also walking you guys through my process of taking photos while on a solo trip. Please do enjoy the video. And do like and engage with me. Comment down below. Tell me what you enjoyed most about the video, and I will be sharing more about Senegal and this amazing trip, and also what this baddie of a camera can do. What it do? I've just checked into my Airbnb in Poppenjuin. It's overlooking the ocean. It's really pretty. So I'm quite tired, but I'm gonna experiment with self-photography using my Canon EOS RP and my phone. So I'm going to use, music. Probably can't see, but I'm using the Camera Connect app, and then I will use remote live view shooting. As you can see,
yeah, so I'm just going to connect the camera connect to connect with the camera. So I'm selecting join, connecting with my camera so that I can see what I shoot. There you go. You can actually see what my camera over there is seeing, and then I have like full control. I can experiment with the poses, experiment with lighting and a bunch of other different things. I'm also using self-timer mode because I don't always want the phone to be in the photo. So when I press to take the photo, I want to give myself some time so I can hide the phone. And this is also because I don't have a remote, which is a little smaller than this. So let's see how it goes.